Kai just made a post on Instagram, and it says this. It says, following the highly anticipated launch of MPC3 and Akai Professional's groundbreaking partnership with Data Instruments, we're excited to share the key development updates that marked a significant step for the MPC platform. As we continue to push innovation, here's what's ahead. MPC3 OS for Standalone will receive highly requested updates in the spring, including flexible time signatures, wireless expansion and transfer, enhanced MIDI recording and playback, addressing user-reported challenges with external gear, and additional new features that will further elevate the MPC3 OS experience. MPC3 desktop software will enter public beta in May, giving users an early look at its powerful new capabilities. I'm definitely looking forward to that, because that's how I like to work on it. MPC OS 3.4.2 firmware update will be released later this month, delivering important fixes and optimizations to enhance standalone performance. I'm looking forward to that as well and putting it on this baby. Force users, we can't forget about the Force users. The Force users can look forward to a major update entering private beta this month, integrating MPC features into the platform, one of the most highly requested enhancements of the community. We appreciate the ongoing support and feedback from our dedicated community and look forward to sharing even more exciting updates soon. I look forward to all of that. I'm excited. You gotta have a little bit of patience, right? Just a little bit of patience dealing with the platforms and stuff like that. That's why I kind of went on the standalone challenge over here. And I think it's just a good idea to just have a little patience. And then the software's coming out too. And I was kind of on the fence though. I'm not gonna front. I was like, okay, I don't know how long we're gonna be able to touch the software. Going back between the 2 software and then 3 standalone. So they're bringing back that uniformity that I was talking about I was missing earlier. And I think it's really cool. I look forward to it. I think just a little bit of patience. And in the meantime, you should be making music. And it's going to be even more features and more stuff. I think it's good. It's like they listen to feedback. And I think a nice, very easily obtainable post. It's not an email. It might come out an email, but them coming, and this was posted on their Instagram, by the way. But I just like that form of communication. It provides a level of accountability. Sometimes, you might get an answer and I'm like, it might add, but this is something we can hold them to. If they can say, hey, we're going to do something and it happens at this time and they do it, that's going to really increase the value of the brand, because it's like, okay, they're going to do what they said they were going to do and not just kind of hint at it. And a lot of times with these music companies, I'm not going to front you, like a lot of times my experience has been, and even myself, we like say, oh, it might come out and it might, if they stick with that kind of thing, and I'd rather them do something that, or say that they know that they're going to do. Now, the opposite of the spectrum, no shade to them, but like Behringer, right? Behringer says, hey, we about to come out with this. Hey, we about to come out with that. But there's rarely ever like a hard date. There's rarely ever a hard date that says, okay, this is going to be, we're going to move like this and move like that. And I understand it's hard to predict, but it seems like to me that, and I know we didn't get exact dates on this, but like if the company continues to communicate with accountable goals, then I think that really enables you to really count on them to deliver what they're talking about. And of course, it's in beta, so I just hope that us as a community doesn't, and it's just sort of idealistic, that when the beta comes out, and I know there's people probably already got the beta already, but when the beta comes out, that we say, okay, we know this is a beta, just like how we dealt with the machine. Let's learn from our experiences and see that, okay, when something's in beta, they're still working on it. Let's have some patience, y'all. Let's have some patience. And I'm not gonna lie and say I always had patience, but let's have some patience. Let's hook up in the meantime. I'm Delio. I'll see y'all in the next video. I'm out.